Since 1966, Andersen Industries Incorporated has been designing and manufacturing metal parts, products, and equipment in Southern California. Our facility is equipped with cutting-edge CNC equipment and staffed with expert fabricators, machinists, and welders. We leverage decades of engineering experience to review all new projects, ensuring they are ready for affordable, repeatable manufacturing. Our 4-kilowatt fiber laser and punch laser combo machines allow us to produce sheet metal parts with the utmost efficiency. When necessary, parts are deburred through our automated process. Press brake bending is a core operation at Andersen Industries. We also offer plate rolling, hardware insertion, and roll bending. Our CNC machines have large work envelopes for performing milling, turning, drilling, tapping, boring, and more. We have 3-axis vertical CNC machining centers, a 4-axis horizontal CNC machining center, and 2-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis CNC lathes. Our AWS-certified welders perform MIG and TIG welding on a variety of materials, including carbon and low-alloy steels, stainless steels, and aluminum alloys. We offer powder coating and spray painting services to give your products a polished, durable finish. All items are hand-painted in our batch process. Andersen Industries has decades of experience making finished products for OEMs, including complex electromechanical assemblies. We also test products to meet customer requirements. You can depend on us to make your project a success. Contact us today to talk about upcoming projects.